Hello guys, so you may know that I hate NPCs because they like blend in with players when you're in a group and they sometimes walk around in some games and I hate them. And and they are only walking on this bridge and that's why I'm going to demolish it. So the first step by demolishing it, break the legs. Don't forget about that one. Yeah, let's go on top of the bridge. Someone. An explosion happened. That wasn't me. Yes, I'm destroying this place because it's the world. It's the bridge of NPCs, and NPCs are annoying. They sometimes think they're smart, like play, and the next. Yes, they're falling.
I'm going to show you all the stuff. This is silica gel. I did one.
Whoa. How is it not? I'm destroying this place. I'm destroying this place. I want to destroy every single NPC in this world. These NPCs just don't what they have to do. Yes, give me all the badges. I'm not glitched. By not just I'm jumping. So do it in more. So no one annoys me. Bruh. Alright. Oh. The cars seem to be floating. At least the bus is getting destroyed. Antimatter go! Antimattering! And what? Teardown game. I'm just going to wait for it to tear down this hospital. Yes, the slow motion replay. Wow! That feels like I was breaking in. letting the bridge go down to it. Now I'm going to jump 2 down. Now I'm just going to swim all the way to the second land. I managed to jump here. Never There, I'm on the second land. Now, I make speed. Let's jump. Go to the damage. Damage means I. Here's the massacre. Here's the massacre. Oh no, the village. Yeah, you not. Yeah. Oh, the game's lagging so hard. Wait, I forgot. I can just fall apart. I can just rip this piece into bits. Goodbye. What's happening? What's happening? Yes. Yes. Break down. Break down. Yes. I broke the bridge in half. I will do, if you guys want me to do this again, don't mind that I'm bald. Let me just, if you want me to do if you want me to do a part, if you want me to do this video again, then please like and subscribe. And that's it, guys. Bye.